So look, there's a reason why I don't play some of these games to finish, and I'm gonna explain it in this video. So I've played a couple of games, like Daughter Simulator, CL Fledge. I've played Chrono Cross, and I have also played Paper Mario, but I didn't finish playing them. And the reason for me not finish playing them, is because Paper Mario is on the Nintendo Switch premium account, right? You need a premium account to play N64 games on the Switch. And my friend, like I use my friend's account, so whenever he goes on his account, it kicks me out of the game and then it fucks up everything. So I was also playing Pokemon Yellow. It's not here, it's in my playlist. So whenever I finish playing a game, sort of, I throw it into my playlists folder, or just playlists, right? And then I will unlist the video from my main page. So you can still see whatever video that I don't have posted. They're just in a playlist. So this, this, these two videos, or these three videos actually, are all right here. Okay. Paper Mario's here. I'm gonna finish this one day. Don't worry. Uh, here we go. Fallen Soldiers, Arceus, Barkeus, bark, 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 bark. Hmm. So yeah, that's about it, I guess. I just wanted to let you know how to use the page, just in case you came here and you're like, oh, well, this page is so cluttered and confusing. Actually, no, it's not. See, all my Dragon Quest Builder videos are all like unlisted. See, that means unlisted. And then look, playlist included. So I put the playlist there. It's here somewhere. There, Dragon Quest Builders playlist. Some of these are privatized. Anyway, yeah. That's about it. That's about it. Enjoy your experience on the page. And please do not be disrespectful. Alright?